Your payment method was declined. Update it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll fix Google Play payment decline error. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your Google Play Store and make sure to sign into your account. You need to now navigate to your game section and tap profile icon at top right. A menu appears. Select payment and subscription. Now choose payment method option. And here, select More Payment Settings. Choose any of your browser. Now you need to choose Add a Payment Method and choose a different payment method or add a new one by entering your card details. If this didn't fix your issue, you simply need to clear the Google Play cache and data. To do that, long press on the Google Play Store icon and navigate to I button to access app info. Now choose storage uses and select clear cache. You can even clear the data tapping on it and tap on delete button. Now try making the payment method again. This should resolve the issue. If this video helped it, you need to give it a thumbs up and comment below with questions or feedback. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated and see you in the next video.